how you can know the exact date of when you had created your Instagram account. For that, you need to open your Instagram. This is your main page. This is how it generally pops up. And then you need to go to your profile, which is the lowermost right icon on the base. Once you are here on your profile section, we request you to tap on the three lines on the top right corner. Once you tap there, you need to go to the section of your activity, which is the second part. You tap here, and then you need to slowly go down until you see under how to use Instagram, there are four options: time spent, account history, recent searches, and link history. You need to tap on account history, and then over here you can see all the histories that you've done with your account, be it changing your bio, changing your phone number, changing the username, or anything. We request you to directly go down, and then here you can see account created. So in my case, it was you created your account on March 4, 2019. It's that easy to know how you've created your Insta account.